guys, sorry we didn't do this earlier, but this is a Mossy Oak update. We did sell Mossy Oak. I think we got 1100 for it. We messed around a bunch with a bunch of guys, and they said they were coming and they wouldn't come and this and that. Anyways, we wanted to sell it for 1800 bucks. Fortunately, we only got 1100 for it, so we did make 300 bucks cash money, but that's all we made.
That's Kijiji.
So we did sell it. I'm sorry we don't have more video about that. So anyways, we're on to our next truck with Scotty here. What are we doing today, Jaren?
Well, today we are going to try and get Scotty to officially roll coal.
Joey, the supervision is back. So cute. Our dad's sleeping, so we're gonna go use the garage while he's in there because I think he's feeling a little sick. So Jaren's just gonna rip her over there. Where are you going? So we're gonna drill another hole into the motor here. This is a dull bit.
Round two. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna take her back out real quick, pour some oil down there while she's running.
See if it works.
See if it works.
Okay, so Sam just watched a video and we think we're gonna take some spark plug wires off. This may also kill the engine. The engine light did just come on.
Unfortunately, boys and girls, I don't think it's gonna be rolling coal. It's just not a diesel.
If you want to roll coal, like buy a diesel.
Yeah.
Don't. It just doesn't work.
We tried, but we just put too much. We put too much crap down the motor and stopped running, and so we're just gonna leave it at that and just rip it in other ways.
Won't roll anything, barely rolls itself. So since rolling coal is the most diesel thing you can do, and this truck can't do that, the next most diesel thing is to have a turbo on your truck. So we got our supercharger slash turbo, whatever you want to call this thing, but it's going to add some horses to our engine. So we gotta make a hole now.
So as you can see, Jaren was trying to bust through the side there with the axe, but didn't work, so taking her to
The next level.
We got our safety glasses because we're safe. We're gonna blow a hole right through there. 2, 1. All right, there's one hole. Hey, we need to blow another one. Uh-oh. Oh, dude. Never mind. Yeah.
We've made it. Hole in one.
So now that we got our hole in here, pretty easy to do. Anyone could do that. We're gonna start our turbo assembly. So first thing we got here, we got our vacuum hose straight into our through here into here, and then we're gonna start our boosting. There's the intake. We sealed all that off professionally. Pretty soon we're gonna start her up here. The motor will only run with this thing running because it has to be getting air, and if this thing isn't running, there's no air. Jaren's just gonna seal this off, and then we're gonna rip.
So when you're doing this, you want to do it in long strips like this. Make sure you're covering all the way 360 degrees around the seal here, because you want to maximize everything.
So we're completely set up here. Got our there's the hose coming through here.
And we're ready to go again.
Here's the turbo. Here's some air protection for Jaren, I mean. Sure. So we got the turbo here. Jaren's driving, let's rip. Turbo.
The craziest thing I've done. that was fun while it lasted. Time to push it back.
Man, you're so strong.
Heath. Dude, look at this. This hose is hacked. Do you have to go get Old Blue? Look at that booty. Oh man, it's hard. Cold air and all. Thank the Lord for a downhill. Oh man. I said we go get Old Blue, man.
This is what it takes to be on YouTube full time making big money.
My lungs hurt. Alright, we got an Old Blue. Oh, keep coming back. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. No, stop, stop! Stop, Sam! Oh, look what you did now! Oh, Sam! All right, so now Sam's going to push me. Hopefully he's ginger. All right, we've made contact and we're on the road. Cruising. E. What are you doing? Sap.
Did you eat chicken? Yeah.
We are beat. We are done. As you've seen in this episode, we did a lot of stuff. Didn't seem to accomplish a whole lot, but tried to do a lot.
We didn't get anything done. Didn't blow big smoke. We did rip with the turbo, and it did add a lot of power, probably
300, 500 horsepower.
Anyways, recommend trying that. And
Yeah.
if any of you know how to blow black smoke, let us know.
And we also don't have any food, so we're having some oranges.
And some oranges, and so.
But wait, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry this video sucked.